AI porn and deepfakes are everywhere. Men tell themselves it's harmless, but it's a trap that hijacks your brain and shreds your integrity. You think you're just clicking for curiosity, for novelty, but what you don't realize is you're programming your brain to chase shadows. You're feeding an appetite that will never be satisfied. And you're selling out your soul for pixels that aren't even real. Today, I want to expose the lie of synthetic novelty and show you why AI porn isn't just another form of pornography. It's actually more dangerous, more destructive, and more deceptive. Brother, this is about your brain, your integrity, and most importantly, your relationship with God. And I'm not just here to warn you. I'm going to give you the tools and frameworks to fight back and win. Welcome to the Rebuilt Man podcast. My name is Coach Frank Rich, founder and host here, and it's been our mission for the last 6 years to help men just like you caught up in the depths of pornography addiction, break the chains, reclaim their identity, rebuild their lives, and step into freedom once and for all. If you're new to the podcast, make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you're watching this on YouTube, turn those post notifications on. But let's dive into the science. Your brain is wired for novelty. Every time you encounter something new, a new face, a new body, a new sexual scenario, your brain releases dopamine. Porn hijacks this system by giving you endless novelty on demand. But AI porn, that's synthetic novelty. It's infinite. There's no bottom. AI can generate an endless supply of fake people, fake scenarios, fake encounters that your brain has never seen before. That means intimate dopamine spikes. And here's the danger. The more novelty you consume, the more desensitized you become. Regular porn already drives you towards escalation. AI porn accelerates that process tenfold, pushing you deeper into the cycle of addiction. And when you're desensitized, you're not only killing your ability to enjoy real intimacy with a wife or a future spouse, you're also destroying your capacity for joy, motivation, and focus in every other area of your life. That's why so many men feel stuck, foggy, and unmotivated. Your brain has been hijacked for synthetic novelty. But this isn't just about brain chemistry, it's about morality. Deepfakes are stolen consent. These aren't willing participants. These are real faces, real people ripped from the internet and manipulated into sexual content that never agreed to. Every click is an act of theft. And as a man of faith, you've got to understand this is sin against God and sin against your conscience. The longer you consume this, the more calloused your heart becomes. You're training yourself not only to lust, but to violate others in your imagination. That's not freedom. That's slavery. This is why the framework that we built here is simple. Guard your gates. What comes through your eyes and ears shapes your mind, your heart, and your soul. No compromise. Don't play with fire. Don't entertain the lie that this isn't real, so it's harmless. Because the truth is, it's rewiring your brain and searing your conscience. Instead, pursue real connection. God didn't design you for fake intimacy with pixels. He designed you for deep covenant connection with a real woman in real love under his blessing. Anything less than that is counterfeit. I've worked with countless men who started with regular porn, but curiosity led them into AI porn and deepfakes. Every single one of them told me the same thing. The escalation was faster, the shame was deeper, and the guilt was heavier. Why? Because deep down, they knew they had crossed another line. And once that line is crossed, the spiral accelerates. Listen, brother, you're not the exception. If you dabble in AI porn, you're already on a slippery slope. The only way forward is to step out, draw the line, and choose freedom. The word of God is very clear. It is God's will that you should be sanctified, that you should avoid sexual immorality, that each of you should learn to control his own body in a way that is holy and honorable, not in passionate lust like the heathen who do not know God. That's 1 Thessalonians 4:3-5. God's will for you isn't to live in synthetic fantasy. It's for you to be sanctified, to walk in holiness, to master your body, not be mastered by your desires. Now let's break this down and get practical here. It's not enough to hear this warning. You need a system to reset your brain and rebuild your life. And that's exactly why I created the Reboot Your Life framework. Let me walk you through a few of the steps here to finding and creating freedom in your life. Number one is you got to focus on identity over behavior. Stop calling yourself an addict. Start declaring who you are becoming. When you anchor your change through identity, the behavior will follow. Next step here is to build healthy daily habits. We call this the Daily Five. Every man in our program commits to 5 simple daily disciplines. Not hitting snooze, a gratitude journal, physical movement outside every single day, daily reflection, and 30 minutes of intentional developmental reading. These habits rewire your brain and give you momentum in this fight. The next step here is to live in radical honesty with yourself and others through brotherhood. Porn grows in the dark. Freedom happens in the light. You cannot do this alone. Surround yourself with brothers who are pushing you on the same mission. Men who hold you accountable and to a higher standard, but will pick you up when you stumble. The next thing here is you got to have some discomfort training. Lean into the hard every single day. You see, porn is easy comfort. Freedom comes by choosing what's discomfortable. That's why we use tools like cold showers, fasting, and physical training. They teach your brain to stop running from pain and lean into growth. And the fifth and final step here is you need vision and purpose. You need a reason bigger than just not watching porn. Who's the man you're becoming? What's the mission God has placed on your life? Until you answer that, you'll always fall back into the cheap substitutes. Look, if you're listening right now and feeling overwhelmed, hear me. You don't need to do all of this at once. Start with one step. Guard your gates today. Journal. Have gratitude today. Share honesty with a brother today, one step at a time. Every step of obedience leads you closer towards freedom. But I want to tell you here that AI porn isn't the future. It's nothing more than slavery dressed up as technology. Don't be deceived. Guard your mind. Guard your conscience. But most importantly, guard your future. The man who wins this battle isn't the one who keeps experimenting with counterfeit intimacy. It's the one who takes a stand, closes the door, and chooses the narrow path of discipline, freedom, and faith. Listen, brother, if you know you need to reset your brain and reclaim your integrity, I want to invite you into the 7-day porn reset. This free challenge will help you break the cycle, rewire your brain, but most importantly, connect with a brotherhood of men who are walking the same path. You can head over to therebuiltman.com/7-day reset or click the link down there in the show notes below to join us today for free. But you don't have to fight this battle alone. You can lock arms with men who refuse to bow to slavery. I want to let you know freedom is possible. And it can start right now if you head over to therebuiltman.com/7-day reset or click the link down there in the show notes below. And brother, I look forward to seeing you on the inside.